indicating for?
Yeah, I was going to say, just indicate for everyone.
Wait for me.
It's when you get a stone chip.
Yeah. I can't believe how dusty it is.
So dusty.
Remember dusty.
Muddy Weekender 2022. Whoop whoop. First lap of the course, might break the car. Whoop whoop.
That's why I'm driving, isn't it?
Nana might get stuck. Whoop whoop.
Well, there's a Freelander over there.
They've already done it. They've done the course.
No, they got scared to go back.
I love my rope in my footwear.
By the way, we're totally going to get lost trying to find the course if we go on our own. This is why I want to follow people that know what they're doing.
Oh, could you imagine?
We'll just
Why did you end up in the field?
We'll just be driving around. Like, I literally don't know where the course is.
It's when they change the course late and you're like, hang on a minute.
Yeah.
Where's the entrance now? Whee!
Whee!
We can manage this bit.
This bit's not too hard.
Is this the course?
This is the course.
This is fine. I'm all good with this.
Yeah, not too hardcore this one, is it?
Go on, Nana. How do you think the car's going to do? Full course?
I think we're going to get stuck on at least one occasion.
Do you think?
I think so.
Do you know what? I have faith with your gung-ho attitude. I feel like the tow bar's going to be a mess.
The thing is, I think if we don't get stuck, we're going to catch, and I'm probably going to go too gung-ho and do damage for that reason.
Maybe.
Because that's just my attitude to life.
Oh, we've got a queue.
It's a traffic jam up ahead. Oh look, this is a bit complicated, isn't it? Look at this.
I know.
Can't come off the clutch. I might hit the cones.
Keep off the field, Nana.
Yeah, don't go on the field.
I think this was the stubble field they was talking about.
I think so. I don't know if it was this or one coming out the other side. I've never heard it called a stubble field.
Your first issue, you got to stop on a hill.
Got to a hill start.
Well, I'm more thinking the handbrake's got to hold us.
Point.
Oh no, we're already touching
the grass
things.
Is catching the thing already. There you go, get out this and make a cracking picture.
It's almost like the M25. It'd be better with your side, wouldn't it? Because I've got to do the rope every time.
Okay.
Put it this way, Brumby Man can get up there.
No excuses, up the hill.
Trying! That no excuses up the hill. I feel the pressure.
Go, go, go. Go. Go, go. Yes! Nice! Nice. And really slow. Nice.
Wow.
Nice.
Wow. If that back wheel didn't go up, I'd be shocked.
It did.
Look at the cone.
That's really funny. I had to save your phone. Was at such a camber angle.
Look, that's the water, by the way.
Wow.
You see why I didn't want to go backwards?
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
It's the bit coming up the hill. You kind of want welly, but at the same time, because there's so many people stood there, it's like, how quick can they move?
Yeah.
Oh, I'll tell you something, I need a pee.
What are you saying, campsite next? Oh, this is the bit I don't like.
You ready?
I bet you can't straddle it either, can you?
I can straddle this bit. It's the next bit.
Just
I can't.
go for it.
No, I'll straddle this bit because that's what I did last time. And then, if you're ready,
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to fall in.
Yeah.
Ready? And go. Oh! Wow. Is the GoPro recording?
Yeah.
Good. You can only do that so many times, otherwise that'll do damage.
Oh no.
And compose. I'm not doing that bit.
No.
Only reason being, because it says hard, that's quite rutted and I feel like the tree.
Yeah, no worries. I feel like a grand scheme of
I feel
things,
like that back there is risky enough.
You're not missing out on much.
No. Oh my goodness me. Oh, better shut my window. Do you see what I mean with that bit? Because I tried taking that a little bit slower and you can feel it.
Yeah.
Getting stuck basically. Oh,
Yeah.
God. Imagine doing this without a tank guard.
Oh no. Or a front bumper guard. Because
Yeah.
you'd smash the front bumper up.
You would.
I don't mind the rest of it, I don't think.
There's another really, really catchy bit coming up. Oh, there's a proper photographer. Oh, he's video recording. Oh, it's Land Rover owners. They're Land Rover people.
Yeah. I'm glad your window.
up.
I think I remember that before, and I thought that was going to ping in.
Do you know
and take
what
your skin
Michael's
off.
saying about that bank? I think that could be a godsend.
Yes.
You know, how coming down that hill. Because I think that potentially helped me, maybe, without having done it before. It's like,
How's the humour of this video, Nana?
oh,
it's so good being humorous.
yeah.
Oh.
I haven't got time for being humorous right now. I try not to break the car.
Can we pick some blackberries though? I feel like that's a
I
common.
could stop just
Exactly.
here.
I feel
Oh,
like
they look juicy as well.
that's a common theme for all our videos. They're fishing over there.
Oh, should we join them?
Yeah, why not?
Look, there's loads just here. This is like drive-through blackberries.
Can you imagine someone coming down smacking into the back of us? Why were you parked there? Because blackberries.
Ready?
We're basically Bear Grylls.
Yeah.
Alana, if you hang back a bit, I can get some footage of you from my top camera.
Perfect. We're holding tight on top of one of the hills.
Oh, there he is.
Just here now.
Go for it. It's when we parked him in a really awkward place and he's like, oh no, he'll start.
Look, this is the bank I was talking about.
Yeah. Yeah.
But you wouldn't want to go too much left.
I'm glad it's not really slippery and wet.
Yeah. No, it's like here. You go too much left.
I want to do a lap, hopefully, with him in front of us.
I'm sure there'll be time.
Yeah.
I just don't know how many times
No.
we're going to want to lap this course.
Nah.
Because it's
Do you
like,
think the other one's any different?
I'm not sure. It's just how draggy that bit is,
Yeah,
is my
exactly.
concern. It's like we can drag it so many
Yeah.
times.
We're getting lucky. Plus, let's face it, if I do a drive, I'll probably end up beaching it instead.
This is why I say it'll be interesting, because I think beaching it's going to do more damage.
Yeah, exactly.
Personally.
Can we have a push?
You ready? This is a draggy bit, if I remember rightly.
But nowhere near as
I know,
much as
I'm
at the
not
start.
sure actually. Yeah, because I've got to avoid this.
It's like a little axle twister.
Ooh,
Whee!
ready? Up and over.
I like the way it
Down.
rotates in the middle. Do you feel it when it
Yeah.
grounds out? It kind of almost rotates the car.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. I've just noticed the angle you come over at.
Oh.
I didn't see properly when you're doing it yourself. Did you hit the horn?
3 headbutts at the steering wheel.
Oh!
Awkward. We were just noticing the angle you were getting in the mirror.
It wasn't my head, it was my hand, but it was involuntary.
We'll let you off this once.
I didn't think that's what happened, because it's a random
Never let
time.
anybody off. Don't show signs of weakness, everybody is at fault.
I love it. Easy or hard?
Let's go hard.
Yeah.
Way.
We okay?
We all good? I'm going hard.
I'd be interested if you accidentally fell into them ruts, how this car would get
I
up.
don't know, I might be going to find out at
Yeah,
some point.
exactly. I feel like it's getting wetter.
Yeah. It's good, good
This is where the tyres work.
Whee!
Yeah.
Not right now, please. Yeah, it's fine now.
I'm glad that knock hit.
Yeah.
I'm glad I've realised what that was.
You ready?
I'm ready. I don't think this one's quite as bad.
It's a floor.
Yeah, I know, but it's not quite as bad. I might be wrong.
Remember?
Oh yeah. Remember now.
My foot nearly jumped off the throttle.
My bones have been rattled.
Why have we got so much interference?
Oh yeah!
Who's that?
No.
Hang on, I've got deja vu.
Oh yeah.
I don't know who that was.
No one was getting back to him.
Ready?
There's a lot of close trees.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah. I do think these tyres are making a difference.
Oh god, yeah. You can feel them scrabbling.
Yeah. I don't know how good the Goodyears would have been. I think they would have been good.
But not that good year.
Yeah.
Look, this is another one. Not too much right. Because if you go down there, you're going over.
I think you're going to be a nervous passenger.
Oh god, no! I think I might have to film you. I don't think. But then again, would you hate it if I wasn't in the car?
I'm not sure.
Because I'm not sure if I could be a passenger. Only reason being, I know that you need to floor. Oh. I think she might be taking packages.